Hello, YouTube fam. This is Christian if you are new here, and I love doing all things decorating and DIYs and budget type of decor. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I would absolutely love it if you would stick around. Today, I thought I would share with you my front porch decorating video. It's a little quicker than some of my other ones. It's not like super detailed, but I wanted to get it out for you guys. I realize it's like in the 11th hour here because it's just really close to Christmas, but I got it recorded, so I wanted to get it out for you. And then I do have one more video that I'm really hoping to get out to y'all tomorrow before Christmas, with just kind of prepping for family to come over and last minute things and stuff like that. So within the next 2 days, I am hoping to get a couple more videos out to you to end this Christmas season for me here on YouTube. But anyways, enough rambling from me. Let's get started on my Christmas 2024 front porch decorate with me video. So first thing here, I had this tree that I ended up getting on Amazon for a fairly decent price. I can't remember, I think maybe like right before Black Friday or for some kind of Black Friday deal, but I got 3 flocked trees. If you haven't watched my other video, I have those 2 on there for my living room decorate with me video, and I decided that I would pull this one out on the front porch. Initially, I kind of thought that I was going to have all 3 of them grouped together in the living room so that I could do this like winter wonderland forest type of vibe, but I didn't really have enough room on that wall for this, and I thought it would look really cute to put a tree outside, so that is what I decided to go with, which I've never done before. I know a lot of people put trees outside on their front porch, but it's not something I've ever done before because I try to only put outside like decor that's not too expensive or too nice. That way, if something happens to it, if it gets blown over or rained on or possibly even stolen, which has never happened to me before, but it's not unheard of. So I try not to put like nicer things out there. But I just thought that this tree would look really pretty, and it wasn't like super expensive and it wasn't big, and I just thought it would fit the space really well. So we tried it this year and I thought it looked beautiful. So I am happy that I decided to do that. Let me know if you guys put trees outside on your front porch, or if you even decorate your front porch. I know that in the past I really didn't. It's only something that I started doing the past probably like 4 or 5 years. Before that, I just kind of had like a planter and like 2 or 3 little basic things that were kind of like all year round decorations. And I would change out my wreath though. I would put a different wreath out there every year, but that's pretty much it as far as things that I would change up. So let me know if you decorate your front porch, or if you are kind of wanting to, or you kind of just do a couple of things like I did with a wreath and maybe a plant, or if you go all out like I do now, like I've been doing for the past couple of years. Let me know. So while I am taking all of these things out from fall and sweeping up and cleaning up just a little bit before I start my Christmas decor, I thought I would take a minute to introduce myself if any of you guys are new here. I don't really know if I talk that much about myself on my channel. Maybe I should. I know that I've got some of you that I chat with a little bit, but I know I haven't gotten like super personal or anything. But my name is Christian, and I live in Alabama. I am an accountant. Specifically, I'm an auditor, and I kind of travel around throughout a bunch of different counties, and I just have different assignments that I complete every couple of months, and then I'll travel somewhere else. So it's like not like, don't think like overnight travel or something big. I can do that on a voluntary basis, but I haven't done that before. I do go to Montgomery every year for conferences and stuff like that, but as far as my daily and weekly travel, it's usually just like a radius of 60, 70 miles tops, or it's just down the road, depending on what my assignment is and where I'm going for the next couple of months. But that's kind of just a background of me and my job, and it does take up a lot of my time. I really do love it, but it is challenging. So that takes up probably most of my time. And then I've got my husband, and then I've got 3 cats. We don't have any kids. Maybe we'll change that one day. But yeah, so right now it's just us and the 3 fur babies. I've got Buddy, Kate, and Toby. Buddy's the black cat. Toby is the big fluff ball. He's kind of like gray. And then my girl, she's got the white chest, kind of looks a little bit tabby-ish. And she's my princess. That's what I call her, my Princess Kate. They each have super cute personalities, and they're all just so different. But for now, they're my babies, and they're one of the biggest pieces in my world. So that is a little bit about me, because I don't really know what I've really shared with you guys over here on YouTube over the past year since I've been doing this. But let me know if you love cats. Let me know if you're an animal lover, because I certainly am. Let me know if you work full-time and kind of like to decorate on the side, or yeah, just let me know about your hobbies. Let me know a little bit more about you guys, because I feel like I do love doing these videos and putting them out there for you, but I kind of want to do a little bit better about chatting with you guys from time to time. So yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments if you're watching and you're hanging out with me today. So as I get started here putting out my front porch decor, I don't think I have anything out here that's actually new besides that tree that I was just talking about. I am reusing I do have my wreath that I made. I do have a like ornament wreath I kind of showed you guys in a previous video. So scratch that. I have a new wreath that I made, and then I kind of have like a lantern type thing that I have some leftover ornaments in. But other than that, I don't have anything new out here. I've got my garland that I wrapped around these little, I don't know what they're called, like plant stands that I put my little planters on. I just kind of keep these out here all year round. And I put this garland around them. I showed that to you last year, and I'm doing the same thing this year. I have the same rug that I had out here last year. And of course, this rocking chair stays out here all year round. And I believe the pallet wood scarecrow thing, I turned it around to the other side to show you guys the snowman. I showed that to you last year in some decor. I think it was in my Christmas home tour. I didn't have it outside last year. I put it on the stairs. But since I already had it outside this year for fall, because I didn't do fall last year, I just did Halloween and went straight into Christmas. So I had that out there this year for fall. I just thought I'd turn it around and show you my snowman. Since I didn't do it last year, that is one of my favorites that my mother made me, along with a couple of other palettes that I've shared with you guys over the past year here on YouTube. And I just love showing it because it's so adorable, and it's kind of unique, but it's not like so unique that people have never seen it before. It's kind of a thing. It's out there, like it's on Pinterest. I think I actually found the picture of it on Pinterest and showed my mom, and she kind of drew her inspiration from that and made it from a picture. But that is one of my favorite pieces that I love kind of pulling out and moving around somewhere different every year. So, and then I have, of course, my pine cones, free from the backyard, spray painted, showed that last year. And then a little bowl full of ornaments. I've got some gold ones and then some silver ones. Again, just easy way to reuse ornaments that are not being on your tree this year, or old ornaments, or just whatever. We probably all have ornaments that we don't use in our decor, so why not kind of figure out a way to use them and fill up some empty spaces for free instead of buying some new things. And then I've got a little penguin pick that I put in the tree here, and that is just from the Dollar Tree, which I used also kind of in a little arrangement that I had on my stairs last year. But I thought it would be cute just to be a little something that I wanted to stick in that tree, just to, I don't know, give a little something besides those little strands of garland that I put on them at the beginning of the video, which are, by the way, from Big Lots. They were like, I got 3 of them, I don't know, maybe like $10 a piece, less than $10. I know I didn't pay more than $30 for all of it, for all 3 of them, but that was a pretty last minute find. I just thought the red berries made the tree have a little extra something in it without having a little too much in it, you know what I'm saying? Because I was going to be turning it on out here on the porch at night, and I didn't want to have a ton of decorations on it. But there is that, and I believe I'm going to be finishing up with the little last minute touches of the trees and the 2 little silver platter things, the small trees, and the little cone tree thing and the other little thing. I had these out here last year if y'all saw that video. If not, definitely go watch it, because this is a variation of what I did last year, but it's also different. I kind of like changing it up just a little bit. I don't like doing the same thing twice. So that is finishing this up, and I think that's about it out here, actually. Like I said, short and sweet. It's not a ton of new things or exciting things. Oh, the little present boxes I also had out here last year as well. Those are from Hobby Lobby, and I'm probably going to put them out here every year just because I think they're so darn cute and just kind of perfect to display, like welcoming everyone into the house. Because your front porch is the first impression of your house to everyone that comes to visit you. So I think it is kind of cute and kind of a good idea to maybe have it together and just a little bit of, you know, a little bit of decor, just like welcome people in. So I think that's why I started enjoying doing this over the past couple of years, doing a front porch decorate, because it's kind of inviting everyone in to kind of let them know what they're getting for the holiday or for the decor, you know. It lets people know like, oh hey, she loves holidays and she's festive. That's cool. So yeah, anyways, I'm rambling, but I'm probably going to put these little presents out here nearly every year because I think they're just really simple and cute. But that is it for this quick little front porch decorate with me video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any last minute decorating to do, maybe it'll give you a little inspiration. Just pop in a little bit of trees and garland and some ornaments that you're not using. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I know that we're getting very close to Christmas, but again, I have another video, I think just one, maybe 2, that I wanted to share with you. So I'm going to try to get that up in the next day. But until then, I hope that you have a very lovely Merry Christmas 2024, and I hope that y'all have just a wonderful time with your family and friends, or whatever Christmas looks like for you. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye! Mm-hmm.